You've heard about building wealth, right? Most people think it's a mystery, but it's definitely something anyone can achieve with the right tools and mindset. Enter Build Wealth, a comprehensive guide that demystifies the complicated world of finance. This blew me away because I always thought accumulating wealth was only for people who had some secret knowledge. Then I realized as a financial advisor, I can break this down for others. There's really just 3 steps to start building wealth. Step 1, budgeting. Many people avoid this because it seems tedious, but without budgeting, you won't know where your money is going. It's as simple as tracking your income and expenses with an app. Just setting aside 10 minutes each week can open up your financial roadmap. Step 2, saving. We suggest setting up an automatic transfer from your checking to your saving account. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. This might sound hard, but starting small is better than not starting at all. Over time, it becomes effortless. Step 3, investing. This can be intimidating, but it's also the most rewarding. There are plenty of platforms that simplify the process with as little as a $50 initial investment. Your money starts to work for you, multiplying as you go on. I've personally implemented these steps using the principles from the Build Wealth Guide. I set aside 10 minutes a week for budgeting, automate my savings, and allocate funds for investments with ease. Overall, it's not as daunting as it seems when you have a clear plan. So yeah, wealth isn't just for the elite anymore. With Build Wealth, you can take these practical steps and watch your financial confidence grow.